try to tap out this Drake, hit your face, you gon' die. They said that all niggas ready to kick me, tell them niggas come and try. We on y'all block, they said they slide, nigga, y'all can't cause we outside. And I running from this Drake, accuracy, aim me, hit your face. You wanna be in STK, go outside, bring me back a body. If the fuck nigga play with the game, I catch another body. And another body, and another body. Don't think about it. If I hop up out the cut, boy, you give me just like some potion. And I'm all up in the west, and boy, I'm drip just like some ocean. Tell them boys stop all the this and then come try to up the scope. 5, 5, 6 years, you throw no run up on this chopper blow. I don't beef with broke niggas, all I really want is dope. 5, 5, 6, he hit your face, 9 out of 10, I shoot the Drake. ARP, leave this thing, 2, 2, 3, he hit your brain. ARP came with a click, I tap it once, you really climb. And they know not to come on this side, we live from like a clown. Run up on the game, you get hit with a switch, I ain't your green. The way I run up on this beef, I'm proud a nigga ain't got a green. Boy, you better hide your bitch, cause if I wanna, I'ma grab him. I'm a mission man, hop out the club, blow the Drake till he hit your head. I say she hit your brain, we slide up on the hot block. Don't wanna be with the game, you don't start till the cops call. Just like it hits out the Drake, make it nigga get happy. You don't give a fuck, you shoot the Drake up at your back.